As the adoption of cloud and SaaS computing accelerates, data privacy management issues are becoming more complex. More and more countries are enacting laws around data privacy, and businesses are basing their purchase decisions on how well suppliers address data privacy. If you have a cloud or SaaS-based solution in one of these categories, then you may be storing personally identifiable information in your system. Your ability to demonstrate a commitment to maintaining the privacy of this data is very important. It not only enables you to comply with privacy regulations, but more important, it reduces barriers to sale. If your customers perceive that your solution does not adequately address data privacy, they are likely to spend additional time on due diligence, or even worse, take their business to a competitor whose solution they believe will better protect the privacy of their customers' data. Good data privacy management can accelerate your sales cycle and increase sales of your cloud solution. We will show you in this brief video that by proactively demonstrating your commitment to data privacy with TRUSTe certification solutions, you can address regulatory compliance and, more important, increase sales and earnings. There are a number of privacy regulations you have to comply with. For example, if you have customers in Europe, you have to comply with the EU Data Protection Directive. This directive prohibits the transfer of European citizens' personal data to non-European Union nations that do not meet the EU's adequacy standard for privacy protection. Fortunately, the U.S. Department of Commerce has developed a safe harbor framework that allows U.S. organizations to comply with this directive, enabling you to more easily conduct business in Europe. In addition, you have to comply with regulations within the industry you operate. Some states, such as California, have also implemented their own privacy laws. Compliance with these laws eliminates potential fines from government agencies and negative press coverage, which can damage your brand. It also ensures that you won't lose business from customers who will only deploy solutions that are compliant with these regulations. In addition to compliance issues, our experience shows that without a sound data privacy framework, cloud and SaaS providers lose new deals and renewals. This happens when high data privacy standards are important to your customer, but your solution does not have a proven method, such as a third-party privacy certification, to demonstrate your commitment to data privacy. Privacy certifications also accelerate your sales cycle because prospects are likely to spend less time investigating your data privacy practices. All this adds to higher revenue and increased earnings. Our analysis shows that you can increase both sales and profits by demonstrating your commitment to data privacy, and the ROI on your investment in privacy certifications is likely to be 200% or more. In a recent report, Forrester Research stated, "Dealing with privacy laws alone is a headache, as laws are not easily comprehensible, vary according to region and industry, and often conflict with each other. Simultaneously, business just wants to do business, and the work to untangle the privacy mess can either impede or terminate major deals." In order to help you demonstrate your commitment to data privacy, TRUSTe offers two services: Trusted Cloud Privacy Certification and the TRUSTe EU Safe Harbor Program. Trusted Cloud Privacy Certification reduces the time your prospects and clients spend on performing due diligence because it reassures them about your data privacy management practices. For example, what information you collect, how you transmit it, store it, share it, and dispose of it. The TRUSTe EU Safe Harbor Program verifies the compliance of your solution with the EU Safe Harbor Framework, provides alternative dispute resolution, and prepares you for certification with the U.S. Department of Commerce. Let's see how the TRUSTe certification process works. Using our comprehensive certification process, we certify your cloud application against our industry-leading cloud privacy certification requirements. These program requirements help translate the broad range of regulations into a step-by-step action plan which can be easily implemented by your team. The TRUSTe Privacy Program requirements are based on our 15 years of experience in data privacy management and meet the needs of regulations and standards such as the EU Safe Harbor Principles and the Cloud Security Alliance. In addition, the TRUSTe Program requirements are constantly reviewed by our internal team of advisors and external privacy consultants to ensure they stay current. In our certification process, we first assess the privacy framework of your solution against our cloud privacy certification requirements. To accomplish this, we audit your processes and use tools such as crawler and packet sniff technologies to understand what data is collected by your application. In addition, we look at how you collect data, review if you share data with third parties and what contractual provisions you have in place regarding data access, assess what mechanisms end users have to access their data for reviewing, updating, or requesting that you no longer have permission to use, assess if you are taking reasonable security measures to protect data, evaluate your data governance policies with respect to managing and deleting data, review if your written privacy policy is consistent with actual practices, and much more. Based on the assessment, we prepare a privacy analysis report which outlines everything we reviewed and identifies the list of items that need to be addressed before you can get the certification. Our certification process typically takes about 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the complexity of your application. All assessments are performed by our team of highly trained privacy experts. We also offer a service called TRUSTe Dispute Resolution, which is available standalone or in conjunction with our certification products. It provides resolution of end-user data privacy-related complaints, freeing your team to focus on your core business. Having a dispute resolution process is a key requirement for obtaining EU Safe Harbor status. The TRUSTe name is recognized and trusted by thousands of businesses as a sign of responsible data privacy management practices. Here's what you get when you choose to work with TRUSTe. We assess and certify your data privacy management practices within your cloud solution. As a part of the process, we review and recommend specific changes to your privacy policy so what you say is aligned with what you do. We will identify the gaps in your practices and items you will need to address. You get access to our dispute resolution service for your cloud solution. You need dispute resolution to obtain and maintain EU Safe Harbor certification from the U.S. Department of Commerce. You will get the famous TRUSTe Certified Privacy Seal that you can display on your site. It serves as a third-party verification of your robust data privacy practices. Finally, we will provide you with a letter of certification which can be used for audits and RFP responses. If you try to do it all yourself, you will find that the process of identifying and understanding the maze of requirements, assessing your cloud solution against these requirements, identifying gaps, and prioritizing the remediation steps can be distracting and time-consuming for your management team. By leveraging our vast experience and expertise, we can help you implement a robust data privacy management strategy faster and more cost-effectively than you can on your own, enabling you to focus more resources on your business. Hundreds of leading cloud and SaaS solution providers have selected TRUSTe to help them build and implement a robust data privacy management strategy. Our trusted cloud and EU Safe Harbor solutions enable businesses to reassure their business partners and customers of their data privacy practices and win business they may have otherwise lost, accelerate due diligence processes and shorten the sales cycle, and extend EU Safe Harbor and regulatory compliance to their cloud solution. Over 5,000 businesses worldwide, including those from market leaders such as HP, Intuit, Microsoft, NetSuite, Oracle, and Salesforce, as well as many small to mid-sized companies, rely on TRUSTe to ensure compliance with evolving and complex privacy requirements. Call us and we will show how you can shorten your sales cycle, win more deals, and reduce your exposure to compliance issues in a rapid, proven, and cost-effective manner.